Hello tech lovers, today's video is on DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. On first look, it's clear there's a change. The overall shape of Mini 3 Pro is a bit different. Mini 3 Pro is similar to the earlier Mavic drones with a slim foldable design that is an oval-shaped fuselage that has the camera on the front. In contrast to other Mavic drones, however, the propeller arms do not the landing gear as well, and the camera is not sit on the top of the drone. This landing gear integrated inside the airframe at the front and is component of the battery on the rear. It's similar with that of the DJI Spark from back in the day, and has 4 feet that are small on the bottom of the drone. With no foot in the propeller's front arm, both arms are now able to work in any order without bumping into one another. The only difference is that DJI changed their position. The propeller arms on the front rotate over and back towards the front, while the rear arms turn straight out. Common Mavic drones feature a long nose, which acts as a protective cover for camera equipment. The camera gimbal is usually suspended downwards from the front of the drone. Mini 3 Pro is a different model. Mini 3 Pro changes that up, as the camera is mounted to small arms each side, much like the fork supporting the front tire of your bicycle. The camera's 2 mounting points is a delicate way to balance. It provides greater security and stability, but this also increases the damping needed. DJI made an interesting choice with its sensors for avoiding obstacles. Instead of bypassing the sensors facing rearwards, or running wires through sensors on the drone's back, they arranged all the sensors in bubbles in the front. Please forgive me for this analogy, however, they are reminiscent of the exophthalmosan frog eyes, as if frogs had 2 eyes for each socket. Advanced Pilot Assistance System 4.0 comes on this drone. That is, it's a first in the industry, and if the size of the sensors, the forward obstacle avoidance will prove highly efficient. The last observation we can make was it appears that Mini 3 Pro has a height that is higher than the prior Mini drones. The rear is roughly the same size, however the nose is 25% higher. In addition, aside from that, it appears that the Mini 3 Pro appears to comprise similar materials to the previous Mini drones, and the propellers are 2 components that connect by screw. In terms of the propellers, they are bigger than the previous models, and the tips in orange are made of soft rubber. It is only conceivable that the rubber will add weight in comparison to the standard propeller's construction made of plastic, and will help stabilize and lessen vibrations. The soft texture could aid in reducing the noise levels. The direction of the drone is slightly different too. The propellers and motors are aligned slightly forward instead of perpendicular to the fuselage. This means that the drone's nose is higher than its tail when it is hovering. We're amazed that DJI hasn't done this earlier, considering that drones with a level hover are more likely to have their nose down when moving forward, creating a downward force. Instead, the Mini 3 Pro will have the wind bounce off its belly when it is in the forward flight, allowing for an ounce of lift. DJI obviously learned a thing or two in its predecessor DJI first-person view that also has a little of tilt. Then, DJI has opted for an entirely new battery design. The battery in Mini 3 Pro doubles as the rear landing gear on the drone. Although it is larger than the Mini 3 Pro than the standard battery, it has about the same size that the Mavic Mini's original Mavic Mini, but it seems to weigh less. Its Mini 3 Pro is rated for up to 34 minutes of flight time, which is enough to place the Mini 3 Pro on our top battery life list. If you're like us, we love flying drones to enjoy the thrill of shooting a camera in the air. Mini 2 Pro is a great drone. Mini 2 Pro offers a 1 to 1.3 inch camera sensor, which shoots 4K video with up to 60 frames per second. It also has the 48 megapixel sensor, which can shoot amazing images that are pixel bent at 12 megapixels. Something that DJI has not done before. The Mini 3 Pro's camera. A Mini 3 Pro is able to rotate 90 degrees in the opposite direction, which means you can take pictures that are portrait-oriented. In keeping with the growth of DJI camera, this model can capture HDR video. The camera can only record 4K video at 30 frames per second. The f1.7 aperture lets more light, enhancing your low-light experience without HDR. This features also allow 1080 pixel slow motion capture. Another intriguing tidbit to note is that DJI has added zoom capabilities to more and more drones. The Mini 3 Pro gets 2x when recording the 4K resolution, and 3x when recording 2.7K video, and 4x when recording 1080 pixel. The first mini drones made by DJI were lacking some of the exciting features Mavic users have grown to love. The first Mavic Mini still does not come with the full range of master shots. As an example, its Mini 3 Pro comes better equipped, including focus track, quick shots, master shots, hyperlapse capture. A majority of these functions are due to the obstacle avoidance sensors that are 3-direction. Advanced Pilot Assistance System 4.0 can only be achieved using this set of sensors also. The larger propellers on Mini 3 Pro promise more speed and power out of the drone. The flight time of drones is an important aspect of their value, as it's what the Mini 3 Pro delivers. The 34-minute flight duration using an ordinary battery provides top-of-the-line performance. However, the 47 minutes offered by Battery Plus option is a record-setting record to be set for Mavic drones. Make sure you know the rules for drones that weigh greater than 250 grams, and if you're familiar at that, then difficult to deny this massive flight time. Alongside the brand Mavic drone that is being launched, DJI announces its DJI RC controller. The controller comes with every button required to fly the Mavic drone, and it has a 5.5-inch display. The display can provide 700 nits of light, which is great for bright, sunny days. It's true that the RC Pro is exclusive to the Mini 3 Pro for now, however there's no reason why that it can't be updated to run the other OcuSync 3.0 drones in the near future. It's an Android-powered device which is equipped with DJI Fly pre-installed. We are always grateful for the option to keep our mobile in our pockets when we fly. However, users are able to select the RC1 controller as well in the event that they wanted to connect their mobile phone. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.